Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of my game Devlog. In this episode, we're going to finish off our journal and in the previous episode I was able to almost complete my um, implementing my UI with all the layouts and content size Twitter um, components, and now we can, I guess, a little bit tweaks, uh, and then we can hop on to the coding part of this module. So I guess let's get started. Uh, okay, so this is the list, and last it is going down. Yep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this. So this has a vertical layout group, and I'm going to make this a roll rut. The viewport would be there will be no scroll bars. Maybe there might be one scroll bar. The content is okay. Maybe the viewport is this and the content is this. Okay, vertical. Can I add a content size filter to my scroll? I guess not. I should not do that. This is our content, and this is our viewport. Okay, so let's just hit play and see what happens. There's something happened which I do not like. So let's just, I guess, remove this, add a scroll rect or scroll view, and we can just call it first scroll. There's a mask, it has how about I use let's just copy component, yes component like this. And then viewport is like this. How about we, as we do not require a horizontal viewport, is our viewport updated? No, it's not updated. Just quickly okay, what else? So let's just height is -17, so it should be the viewport got okay. So this is fine. And what we want is we want to component is new. Then was this size filter? And so what if I just do something like copy side of this and just remove this component and remove this component. We need to do something like this and move this from over here. Why is there so much? Maybe 25 is more than enough. Maybe 15, maybe 10. Yeah, anyways, so I guess this is set up. Let me just confirm this by playing the game. And if we do this, so we have, and if I update, is great. Sometimes this affects our spacing, so maybe instead of 10, maybe I should do something like 25. Oh no. I guess I have to force this scroll drag to update itself. Maybe when we create an item, so it is not doing the same spacing as it should. I don't know why, but let's figure this out. Anyways, I guess we can start working on collapse and hide or show functionality, which is very simple. We just need to do something like this in our code. No need to do animations for this as of yet. Okay, let's just what should I do? Should I make a journal manager, something like this? And add relevant data to journal manager class. let's just maybe so this general manager would always have a reference to our quest system, because this relies Unity. You can compile those scripts quickly. Journal manager. So click quest system. Maybe I should do this in awake. Public, I need to public. Start initialize. There will be where is this quest system? There will be on quest completed. Quest complete on accept quest and on add available quest. So these three, I need two more of these actions. Is this add quest? I would say on available quest available. Accepted. Okay, so what we can do is we can go back to journal and maybe on enable. Void on enable. We can do something like quest system dot on available, quest available. Quest quest accepted on quest. Everything is in correct order. Let's create something like journal UI, public game object, public um, form available quests contact. Then we need to need a game object of type journal, maybe quest item. Yes. What else? And we need to manage a list of it removes if I am correct, this destroys. Let's just do something like it is removing a quest from and adding it to this, and on quest complete destroys it, if I am not wrong. Complete quest, I had to complete it. Okay, maybe I can use this, but let's just create separate lists. Go back and we here. So this is essentially the same thing. So maybe we don't need this. So on quest available, we can just whenever on quest available is called, let's just think about this one. Maybe I need to clear private void, clear journal. What else? do something like clear I guess pass a list of list. How about just passing the transform? Each list. Wow. Yeah. And on first available, let's just call clear journal and do something like available, and then for each system dot do not actually have these, so maybe just add a getter for every single accept request list. Public list 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 get list, and this would be of type, I guess. Do I need to hold a reference to this game object? Game object West item, the item is equal to something like this, and then maybe first item dot well, sometimes writer doesn't make sense because we are already doing this over here by just spawning it inside available quest content. Anyways, first item dot button UI click dot add listener in item available quest list. We do something like let's add 3 more. Public button Available quest button, accepted quest button, and we need quest button dot on click dot add distance. Hide show right lapse icon. You can just pass available content. This one would be enough. So why do I need this? Like the component, maybe it's do something like this. Variable name would be child, and child dot get okay. Then let's and content set we just check one thing real quick. Journal. And we need to start or index from 1 because of this entry. This is not the button, and labs icon. In this state, it should be like this, right? Okay. Let's just pass in some values. This variable first is okay. This is our button. I need to change these names. Completed first button and just go back to mineral management. Collapse icon. Collapse icon would be this. This title, this and per system. Have all of our entries complete. Oops. But because this item has a button, maybe I guess we need to pass the same, but maybe we can do something else with it. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's just go back with our journal, maybe add public text mesh row description, I guess, journal, maybe first description, public first title. What else? a button. West. Yeah, West. Okay. If content dot transform dot get child 0. This is a very bad approach, I guess, but just carry on with this. We have time, like 20 more minutes. Get component. Oh, maybe get child again 0 dot get component, which would be an image dot sprite is equal to something like collapse icon and do this, else and same goes for all three. Accepted, completed, and there was this button, I guess. Need to pause, but we can always check this later. Let me hit play and see if our functionality is working. I need to, what happened? Available quest. Oh, yeah. So, again, this does not, we need to change this to for loop and transform the child count and start from 1 and do something like transform dot get child I. And if we go back to our Unity project and hit play, we would be able to see the correct behavior. But why is this a humongous sized? If I could base this, what's that down? It is set to 100. But we are not actually changing I click, so it's, I guess this is this. Okay, it's now correct. But whenever we accept a quest or a new quest gets available to us, there would be 99.9% chance that our journal will be closed, even if it's on every state: available quest, complete quest, and accepted quest. Our journal will always be closed. So okay, so it is. What should I do? Quest, nothing. What else can I do? So if maybe I can, no, but still I need to check what the state. So I guess we can do something like private rule get um get entry UV collapse state. If it is collapsed, then return true. If not, then if. Okay, anyways, Let me just confirm this. And it is now we have this date, and when we are adding a quest item, we need to see if get quest item dot parent transform dot parent. Yep. Okay. Then maybe I need to mark this dot set active. True, set true. If it's false, set false. If it's false, then true. So that's it. Play and hope that. Oh, it is not. Yep. And if I click this, yeah, but it is not force updating this. So let me just go maybe Google this out real quick. How to force render scroll view in Unity. Ensure correctly will change the content. Windows.force update canvas. This was whenever a new entry is done, we need to do something like not here, I guess, maybe over here as well. Windows. Copy this. One more time. Let's test this out and not working. fine. Can I collapse? Let's see our so this is a UI toolkit issue. Which is what I my video which was able to take. My suggestion would be to try one of these after in one with contents. I want to try both of them. Maybe it's taking a layout of some kind. What are you doing? Red transform. Maybe dot get component. Yeah, just this over here. It's an expensive invocation. Yes, I know that. And I am. So let's just. To avoid this, we can maybe do a small optimization of adding these to a list and but anyway, let's just go with this. We don't actually need to change anything. You know, this is what I wanted. I thank this guy by helping me out, and it works for me. And thank you, Ray. Okay. Here, this would call. This is calling on available first list. Do I have a reference to request? I do have a reference to request, but I can do a small thing like change this to the name of the quest and then comparing them inside this. But Quest is equal to quest system dot get available quests dot contains maybe find where I need to pass the reference to the quest item or maybe the quest itself. I guess this is the right way to do this. I don't actually need to pass, I just need to pass the quest. Well, here I don't need to compare anything. Okay, so quest title dot text is equal to quest dot quest description dot text equal to quest dot it. I guess this is good enough. Let's just test this out real quick and we can call today. So let's open this up and click on old man. Oh, I have this issue that I always forget to pass values. The first title should be all the values are passed, and now let's test this out and it's working. If so, let me just do something like show or hide journal, right? So game show hide journal. Just do journal. Okay. Let's go to Utility Manager. Utility Manager. We also need a public journal manager and toggle and journal manager. Let's go back to journal manager, show and hide journal. Public void show journal UI. Public void hide journal. And just do something like journal UI dot it. Although the correct way to initialize a public variable is to just set this value to the first letter should be caps like this. This is the correct way to do it, but I like to do this. Okay, so set active group. So that is why. So you might think that there is something wrong with Rider, but Rider is giving us a very good suggestion to follow the conventions. Anyways, so let's go back and just go journal UI and write this bit and let's pass these values. Let me use the journal. Well, journal. So now, if we go back to our game and click play, okay. Oh, so again, my bad. Did not pass the manager. Anyways, what? Okay. For the last time, let's test this out. If this is working, yes, it's working, and it is showing us our available quests. And if I click on this will this want quest available? No, this won't show. Okay, so let's just do something like this. One quest accepted. New journal. Accepted quest on request. So this and I can just call this because it will remain the same for everyone, every single state. Yeah, so this is same thing. I can just change this to one function, but let's just not do that today. Completed content and completed this. Yes, this is it. So one last time, let's quickly test this out. If I click here, oh, there you are. Okay, update. Okay, I am not updating this. I think you guys won't like what I'm about to do. With this, oh, this will be a loop. This is very dangerous. Okay. Anyways, so let's Just think about for a moment. Whenever on quest accepted is called, let's just call on quest again. But there are no loops. But now, when and maybe on, I guess we don't need to call on quest complete, right? So on quest completed, we need to call on quest accepted. Just test this out real quick, and you guys would know why I am doing this. So we have an available quest. If I click here, there is no available quest remaining. If I, okay, what? Where is this? Did I just delete my checkmark? Okay, let's just, okay. So we have available quest and old man. Why? The Me Town Mayor. What's the name of Me Town Mayor? Where is this quest? Let me just go through my Me Town Mayor and oh, my bad, my bad. So I did not change the name of our item. Item dot why writer, why are you doing this? Dot name same dot is this name. Okay, so maybe dot ketchup. Add component and gender. Very nice. And for S right, okay. Do this for this and do this for, no, I don't actually need to do this for everyone else. Or maybe what I should do is I should move. Let's do it in maybe while we refactor this code. I should not do any of this over here. Okay. Maybe I need to do it because okay, I'm thinking like why is there no need to do this is because we can just change the parent of a game object to maybe this content when this quest's available quest state changes to accepted state, right? So this will just if the, I can just show you this quest item dot transform dot set parent, something like this. So this game object will be moved to over here, and when the quest is complete it will move to the relevant collapsible menu. So but what if we have a game save state? So what if we have all, but we can also manage this. I guess that would be a better approach to just move the game objects around instead of just destroying them every single time by clearing the journal and instantiating, because there would be an overhead of garbage collection and then this overhead of instantiating an object. So, but this can also work. Yeah. Anyways, maybe I will do this when I work on optimizations. Yeah. And let's keep this as simple as I can. Okay. So if I do this, eat down mayor. This is I wanted to see. And hello mayor. And getting shop license. If I click here, get the shop license. If I click here, everything is working flawlessly. And I think this is it for this video. And we have done a lot of progress today. Not a quite lot to the for you guys, I guess, but again, it's a progress. Uh, that's what an hour of this work gives us. So yeah, so maybe in the next video I would just complete this journal entry stuff module, and we will move on to anything maybe a cutscene manager, making our own cutscene. So or maybe the actual player controller and moving around the game scene. So let's figure this out in the next video. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope that I would find you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.